Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 7th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold has been pretty sideways price action. To me, this definitely over here looks like 5 waves down, even though it's very messy. And the fact that it's messy even helps me prove, really in my mind, that it is a trend within a correction. So most likely it is like a wave A. I think that we possibly are in some sort of an A, B, C, D, E, like some sort of a triangle right now for likely a wave B. It still kind of looks like we're missing a wave C. It still kind of seems like it might push down, take out these lows before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. Overall, I'm definitely still bullish, especially on all the higher time frames. So I'm definitely still only looking for longs in an uptrend. Even though I drew this going down like that, it definitely doesn't have to do that. I mean, it potentially could just continue the uptrend at any time because all the higher time frames are still in an uptrend, still a wave 3, and I still don't see any reason on the higher time frames to tell me that the wave 3 is over yet. So, we do have a little bit on the news calendar. We got Aussie meeting minutes news this evening, if that is a convenient time for you. It's in the middle of the night for me, so not really for me. That's pretty much it for Tuesday. There really is not much news at all tomorrow. The next big news is the Kiwi cash rate and the US FOMC meeting minutes for sure. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.